How to reset your forgotten password on MedCrack Academy. Step 1. Open your browser and search for MedCrack Academy. Step 2. Click on the login button located at the top right corner of the website. Step 3. Enter your login details, email and password. If you're unable to log in, double-check your email address for spelling errors. If the email is correct but you can't remember your password, click on Lost Your Password. Alternatively, you can also reset your password by scrolling to the bottom of the homepage. In the Help section, click on Forgot Password. Step 4. On the password reset page, enter your registered email address. Password reset link will be sent to your email inbox. You can go to homepage by clicking on Forgot Password. Step 5. Check your inbox for an email from MedCrack Academy. Open the email, read the instructions, and click on the provided link to access the password reset form. Step 6. In the password reset form, enter your new password, confirm it, and save your changes. You should now be able to log in with your new password.